What's good, everybody? So all the information is going to be on the description. Let's go ahead and start by jacking up the car, put it in the jack stands, go ahead and remove the passenger side wheel, and then we're going to go from there. Next, go ahead and remove the negative terminal from the battery, which I'm going to remove it from here. You can remove it from this one as well. Go ahead and remove these 4 bolts right here on the cover and remove the cover out the way. After that, go ahead and get you a 3/8 ratchet and just go ahead and put it right there on the pulley. And to remove the belt, you're going to want to pull it up just like this. This one, it is a little bit hard, so I'm going to use a little pipe extension just to give me a little bit more leverage. Go ahead and remove that, and then we're going to be working on the side of the vehicle. Next thing, go ahead and get you a 10mm socket, and you're going to remove this cover right here. And it does have 4 bolts starting from here all the way on this end. Go ahead and remove this bolt right here and that one right there, and those are 10mm. And we're going to be moving it out the way because we are going to bring the alternator towards this way. Next thing, go ahead and take out these 12s, this one, and that one right there. And then we're going to be removing this bracket out the way. So this is how the bracket looks. All 3 are 12mm bolts, so it should look just like this. After that, go ahead and remove this bottom bolt, which is a 14mm. Once you take out the nut, it is cut from the top, so the whole bolt is going to stay in there. The only thing is, once you do remove the nut, the alternator, it is kind of stuck to this. So what I always do is go ahead and get either a screwdriver extension or something, just put it right here on the side and just hit it with the hammer kind of sideways. That way you can get it unstuck. Okay, so once you take out that nut, you see this little bracket right here that holds the alternator. So you can just pull it up and then remove that bolt. That way it don't be on the way or anything. Once you do that, go ahead and twist the alternator this way, just like that. Okay, as you guys can see, this is the power bolt and this is the cable. On this connection, it has a thing that you gotta press, so you press it in and then pull it up. Just take this connection out first, and then this one is a 12mm, so go ahead and remove that. So the last bolt that you gotta remove is that one right there, and I'll put the camera a little bit close, but I just wanted to show you where is it at from far away. So it's that one right there, and it holds the CV axle in place. Go ahead and remove that. That way the CV axle can move just a little bit and enough room to be able to take out the alternator. Okay, sorry, it does have 2 bolts. The one that I was pointing, it was that one right there, but it does have one under here. The best way I reached it is went under the car, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove that one as well, and that one is a 14, so go ahead and do that. So the way I'm taking it out, I'm gonna show you guys on the new one. I put the alternator just like that. So that's how I set it up right there. And the connections are right here on this side. They coming out pretty free because there's nothing right here on the way. And that bracket gave us enough room to put that CV axle just a little bit more down. So as you guys can see, that's pretty much how it came out. Pretty easy once you get the right things to remove and stuff. Once you remove it from here, you're gonna want to take it out from the right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so one of the most important things whenever you do a job like this, make sure before putting the new alternator in, make sure everything's the same. If it is, go ahead and install it. The bracket that I was telling you guys is sitting right here just like that. So whenever you remove both of the bolts, this is just gonna pretty much move freely. If it's kind of stuck right here to the block, just make sure to kind of pry it out. The connection for the alternator, which is this one right here, I'm gonna show you real quick. The way to remove this connection, you're just gonna squeeze this and then pull it up. Make sure you do it because you don't want to damage anything, especially right here inside, because then the alternator is not gonna be working properly. Then you're gonna be doing the job 2 times, and that connection simple as well. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like the video if the video was helpful, and if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.